Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another Odoo 18 tutorial by Cybrosys. Today in this video, let's talk about the talks, talk proposals and agenda in Odoo 18's events module. So basically Odoo 18's events provides a fully integrated event website where attendees can actually browse talks, submit talk proposals as well as view the agenda. So I'm not wasting your time. Let's move on to the module and see how it works. This is the events module. Open that. The first thing which you have to do is you have to choose any of these events. Okay. So I'm choosing Open Wood Collection. And from here you have the button which is Go to Website. So before going on to that, you have to make sure under the configuration setting, the schedule and tracks has been enabled. Okay. Now let's go back to the events. Open the desired event. And then you have to go to the website just by clicking on Go to Website. So you can alternatively navigate to your company's website using that. And then you can select the desired events under the event header. Either you can work under this event or any other event from the events menu. So while opening this, you can see some sub menus like introduction, talks, talk proposal and all. So we are going to talk about talks, talk proposals and agenda. Okay. So first let's go to talks. Okay, so this is the talks. Now, here in the talks page, you can actually see all the event tracks. Okay, it displays all the event tracks filterable by favorites and configured tags. So, attendees can actually favorite talks using the bell icon. Just scroll down. You can see the different tracks which have been created over here. That is simply the talks. And corresponding to each, you have this bell icon. So the day is given and under each day, the different tracks or talks which are going to take place is also given. Okay. So if you mark or click on this bell icon, it has been added to favorites. So similarly, you can click on the bell icon and add a talk to your favorites. Okay. So to view only the favorites, what you have to do is click on this favorites and again choose favorites. So here you can see only the ones where the bell icon is clicked has been shown, which means the favorites are only shown over here. So that's simply how you can see the tracks and how the tracks have been displayed. So that is simply the talks. Okay. So next let's go to the talk proposals. Okay. So this page actually features a customizable form for attendees to submit talk proposals. As you can see, this is the form. And here you can actually specify the name. So I'm giving the talk name as demo, that is the talk title as demo, and the introduction as new talk demo. So it's a random name. You can give whatever the proper talk title is. And then you have the option to choose the category. And so I'm putting them under audience as sales, and the format I'm putting it as keynote. And here you can specify the speaker profile, that is the person who is going to give the talk, so that the attendees can see this, that is it will be showcased in front of your attendees. Once it's filled up, you can simply click on submit proposal. Okay, you can see thank you for your proposal. We will evaluate your proposition and get back to you shortly. So what happens is that the submitted proposals are accessible in the proposal stage on the event tracks page in Odoo. I'll show you that. For that, I'm going back to events and opening the event that we created. Here you have tracks, click on that, and under the proposal, you can see the demo talk which we created. So the tags and all which we have given is there. Now you can simply drag and drop it to confirmed ones to confirm the, talk proposal. Okay. So the accepted proposal can actually be published on the website. So I'll show that. If you go to demo, you can see it's not yet published. Okay, so you can simply click on this and publish it. So this is published right now. Now let's go back to the event. I'll show the talk proposal. No need to worry. From here, I'm going to the website again. Okay, so let's go to the agenda page. So this is the agenda page. Okay, obviously this page shows an event calendar with sessions, timings and locations. And clicking on any session links to its detail page, and also attendees can favorite the talks directly from the agenda. So here I'm going to click on this event. where you can see the talk which you added or published has been displayed. So I'm opening it, that is the talk proposal, and here you have the bell icon. By clicking on this, what happens? You can add it to favorites from the agenda itself. Okay, so that's the way of marking it as favorite. That is the like through agenda, you can actually mark a talk as favorite. And here, obviously, it shows the different events, the different time, the tags, and all such things. Okay, so from here itself, you can actually favorite it, and this is how the agenda page and all works. Okay, so that's all about the talks, the talk proposal, and agenda. It's really easy to handle all these things, so there is no complication. I hope this is clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.